Today we are going to learn how to say these and those in this episode of pronunciation lesson. This video targets two frequently used words that are common errors, those and these. Correcting this mistake will make you sound clearer. We have a tip here. The S in these words pronounced as Z sound. Those, these. So we have this, that, those, and these. So we have this, that, these, and those. And they are demonstrative adjectives أو ما تسمى صفات إشارة كترجمة حرفية. This is used to refer to a single person, a thing, or a place that is close to the speaker. That is used when the person or the thing or the place is more distant, أو بعيد. This computer is easy to use. That coat on the chair is mine. This person is my colleague. That man over there is my boss. This picture is clearer than that picture. This is my seat and that one is yours. These is the plural form of this. Those is the plural form of that. These letters are urgent. Please post them immediately. Those men in the street are policemen. I like these shoes. They're very comfortable. Those shoes on the shelf are very expensive. I like these shoes better than those shoes. These books are more interesting than those books. In formal context, however, we can use that and those for one or ones. The most surprising announcement was that made by the Prime Minister. That means the announcement, the one made by the Prime Minister. A shuttle service is available for our guests. Those interested should require. Those interested should inquire at the reception desk. Those means the guest or the ones interested. هذا كان درس بسيط يخص this, that, those and these. Rule of thumb أو قاعدة الإبهام أو القاعدة الأساسية إنه these and those بالجمع بالزي sound مفرد this بلس مو بالزا فاحفظهم على هذه الشاكلة. نلتقي بكم في درس آخر لللفظ بإذن الله. مدرب اللغة وليد.